Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will cover the topic of how to build a high-performance news website, especially using Newsifier. We will talk a little bit in general about what is a news website and what are the top requirements for a high-performing news websites, and we will cover as well Newsifier and how a Newsifier system can help you to build a very scalable and efficient uh, news website. So what is the market landscape in general? Uh, Currently, the most important aspects of having a news website is to be able to do instant updates because user demand fast and quick news. Also, the SEO competition is an important part of your game as a news publisher. And the third part is the niche. It is important to choose a specific niche which can generate loyal audience, targeted ads, and more focus in general of your websites. Some of the niches that are most common are local news, business news, sports, and arts, and other categories. So, high performance news website requirements. So, you need first to balance between real time content and evergreen content. You should clarify these categories and where you put your updates and where you put your analysis. Also, continuous publishing is very important. So, because sometimes a breaking news can bring you majority of your traffic of that day. Also, you need to have a strong editorial. You need to have a process in place for drafting, reviewing, and publishing. So the workflow is important. And lastly, mobile first. You need, as most of the people who follow up news, they access through mobile. So you need fast loading and reliable infrastructure. What are the limitations of traditional CMS? Many of the news websites they use traditional and the most common CMS like WordPress and others, but they have some limitations like performance bottlenecks, technical overhead, SEO risks, and downtime. So in general, these most common CMS they are not made for very high frequent news and updates and Google Discover and all the aspects that are important for you as a news publisher who want to appear fast in Google when there is breaking news and capture a new audience. In general, they are not scalable to be able to run very efficiently. So now we are introducing Newsifier. What are the core advantages of Newsifier? Newsifier is purpose built, so the main purpose of the system is high frequency news platform with no code editor. Also, the second part is a scalable service. You can auto scale your website with a Newsifier based on increasing your traffic or spikes of demand with zero downtime. The third part is team management. The Newsifier allows you to have multiple writers and access their control, do performance analysis of the writers that are part of your website. And finally, there is real-time analytics. There is advanced analytics, so you can continuously optimize your website and understand what are the core strength and top news is being watched. Now let's talk a little bit about performance and SEO edge. So page speed and core web vitals. There is consistent near 100 score with when you run your website through Newsifier. Also mobile first. So you can appear in Google Discover, which is a very important part of the websites who use Newsifier is that it helps them appear quickly in Google Discover and mobile search. AI powered SEO, so you have multiple tools that help you to do to tune and optimize your content and your titling. And as we said, Google Discover, Newsifier actually is one of the few solutions in the market that have this strong focus on Google Discover. Let's dive a little bit in details about the team management and role. So when you are running your news website through Newsifier, you can assign multiple writers and give them role-based access, like writers, editors, contributors with different permissions. You can also make auto social sharing, which facilitate the process, manage an editorial calendar, and also the built-in analytics we mentioned before. You can see like the page views, top articles, and you can see the performance, which writer, for example, wrote most news and brought the more views of these news, so you can understand better your news and your team performance at the same time. Now to the part of monetization. One important part of news websites is monetization. So Newsifiers provide you full tools that's needed to monetize your website. Since like an advanced and dynamic placement of ads in your website, and other ways you can do by subscription or multi-channel push or affiliates and donations. It's really based on your business model, but Newsifier allows you to make all the tools and manage whether you want to rent space in your website for dynamic ads, or you want to have paid only content. There are multiple ways Newsifier can help you to monetize your community and your news websites. So when you already have like a running website and you want to migrate to a solution like Newsifier, you need to pass through multiple steps, like audit your existing website, manage the migration, import the content. You need team training for your team to understand and be fully functional on the Newsifier system. Put an implementation timeline and measure all your metrics after the launch, so you can confirm your onboarding has been and migration has been fully functional. So that's it for this video. If my recommended next steps for you, if you want to build a website from scratch, choose your niche and start to simulate your headlines, what do you want to build, and feel free to schedule a consultation to understand better and tailor a plan to your goals. Finally, you need to assemble your team and launch. So my best wishes for you of building and managing your news website, and feel free to reach out to Newsifier team any time to learn more about the solution. Thank you very much for watching.